Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This model answer shows one way to respond to the CELPIP Writing Task 1 prompt. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer. The email effectively addresses all three parts of the task. For instance, it clearly provides information about the different types of fitness classes available. It also explains the registration process and any fees, and asks about options for beginner participants. The email is well organized with clear paragraphs. It starts with a polite greeting and states its purpose immediately. The tone is formal, which is suitable for writing to a community center manager. This helps make the email professional and easy to understand. Notice the use of simple linking words like also and finally. These words help connect ideas smoothly and make the email flow well. The answer also includes two good stretch words for a beginner low intermediate level: inquire and appropriate. Using such words correctly can show a wider vocabulary without making the text too complex. For beginners, remember to keep your sentences clear and direct. Focus on using simple grammar and common vocabulary to communicate your message effectively. Always check if you have answered all parts of the question. This explanation focuses on how the model answer for option A effectively addresses the CELPIP writing task 2 prompt. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The response clearly states the chosen option and provides 2 main reasons for this choice. For example, it explains that the writer enjoys physical tasks and does not mind heavy lifting. It also mentions preferring tasks that are not focused on constant interaction with people. The answer effectively develops these points with additional details. In terms of organization, the email starts with a clear statement of preference. It then uses 2 body paragraphs to present distinct reasons, making the argument easy to follow. The conclusion briefly summarizes the choice. The tone is semi-formal and helpful, which is appropriate for responding to a survey question for a community center. Notice how simple linking words like firstly and secondly help organize the ideas within the paragraphs. The answer also uses good vocabulary such as contribute and efficiently. These are excellent examples of higher-level words that are used correctly and naturally within the text. For your own writing, always make sure you clearly state your choice at the beginning. Then, use separate paragraphs to explain your reasons, giving specific examples or details for each point. This explanation focuses on how the model answer for option B effectively addresses the CELPIP writing task 2 prompt. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The response clearly states the writer's preferred option and gives strong reasons for this choice. For example, it explains that the writer enjoys meeting new people and has good experience communicating. It also highlights the opportunity to learn about the community by interacting with visitors. These points are well developed with clear details. The organization of the answer is very effective. It begins by stating the preferred option directly. The body uses 2 distinct paragraphs to present the supporting reasons, making the argument easy to follow. The concluding sentence ties everything together. The tone is positive and semi-formal, which is very appropriate for a volunteer survey. Notice the use of clear linking words like firstly and secondly that guide the reader through the main points. The answer also includes useful vocabulary, such as interact and valuable. These words are well chosen and demonstrate a good range of vocabulary without being overly complex for the target level. When you write your own response, always make sure your choice is stated clearly at the beginning. Then, use paragraphs to explain your reasons, providing enough detail and using simple but effective linking words